Hi everyone, this is medium and channeler Bonnie Bent, and I have a new channeled message from the connection that I've titled Finding True Value. Greetings, dear ones. We have spoken to you many times about the fall of governments. The old systems need to be replaced with the new ones. The energies that cling to the old are strong indeed. Those that are attached to these energies feel they are losing all power, control, and money if they shift to a new and better way. They seek to lock others into the old ways with fear and anxiety. Most have not experienced this type of energy in this lifetime, but some have. They innately distrust authority figures as they have lived through and overcome these energies in their own lives. It is these very experiences that are so valuable to you going forward. It is no accident that you went through these experiences in childhood. It is to prepare you for this time. You were taught inner navigation. This is the connection to the divine guidance within you. It makes you different in a magical and wondrous way. You are the seers. You see things that perhaps others do not. You do not require a leader. Instead, you gather information that assists you with your own navigation. It is the ability to gather and connect information that keeps you at the higher levels, doing your work seamlessly during the transition. You stay out of harm's way because you see where things are going and you decide whether you want to go that direction or not. It is not about judging others, but instead judging whether circumstances are to your liking or not. Each choice carefully and thoughtfully made. It is quite challenging at this time. There is never a dull moment. The planet is also shifting, and your weather patterns shifting right along with the flow of the planet. The magnetics are changing for the planet and for you. What draws you is different as you progress down your path. It can be exhausting at times. Take the time to rest and then get back out there doing what you know is your part. There is no failure. Make sure your measurement is not of the old system. If your measurement is of a material nature, you need to shift to an energy measurement. What is the quality of the energy and the magnetics in your words and actions? In the old system, that is not valued. We say to you, the old system is so out of balance that it requires replacement. No measurement should be taken from an out of balance system. This will require effort, but find the true value. Remain balanced in the center and be an example for others. You are not to be a leader, but an example. Please understand the difference. It is up to the individual to draw in their own guidance and to also be examples. This lifts the energy for all that are participating, and great magic and creations happen as a result of this process. Be the creator beings that you already are. Walk in your own light of confidence, and others will join you along your way. Please, as always, accept what resonates with you and disregard the rest. We are all on our own journey. Until we meet again. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like more information or to support this work, please see the links in the description of this video and join us at bonnievent.com.